National Weather Service in Lincoln has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern McLean County until 1 p.m. At 12:04 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Chenoa to Hayworth and moving northeast at 70 miles an hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles an hour wind gusts and nickel-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Downs, Cooksville, Leroy, Colfax, Saybrook, Holder, Moraine View State Park, Ellsworth, Aerosmith, Bellflower, Anchor, and Cropsey. This includes Interstate 74 between mile markers 137 and 154. The severe thunderstorm warning for